What's up guys, it's me Geek. So here is the unboxing of the Rockville cable. So here's the blue, orange, green, black and yellow. So I will be doing an unboxing of it. So now let me first open the blue one. Okay, here we go. Here we go with the blue one. Oh, this really look quite nice. Let me be honest with you. This is really very nice. Now for the orange one. Okay, here we go with the orange one. And now let me open the green one. Yes, the green one. And then now let me open the black one. Yes, the black one. Okay, here we go. And finally my favorite, the yellow one. Can there anything better than yellow? Definitely not. So here it is, the black. Personally I like the yellow and orange and also green. You need to be the judge. This is orange and this is yellow. They look a little bit similar but they are different. The build quality of this cable are really rock solid. Rockville, they are made to last. Let me be honest with you. Can I recommend? Yes. Make sure to subscribe and bye.